There's so much that goes on here, I don't know where to start. Okay, this is Shechem, right here. This whole thing, Shechem. This little box over here is the most condensed living in probably the universe. You see this white kippah over here, the tip of my finger? This is Kavi Yosef Tzadik. Okay? This is Har Ayvol, and this one is Har Grizim. But from this side you can't really see, but it's all full of trees and baime, because this was the Bruches, and the Clueless were an Har Ayvol, and it's all empty. There's nothing really growing on it. Because Israelis nobody can go in here. This is Shechem. So if you want to come into pieces. So here's a shtickle army. They made a yeshiva al kivro shel Yosef Tzadik. They put down 2 boxes. They have sfurim inside. It's ein room, the yeshiva, or the Devar Bashil. That's another room. Come from the yeshiva, with the nof. And Naftali is saying Pirkei Tehillim because Yosef Tzadik is right there. Also, you can see over here the biggest techina factory in Israel. This is called Ancient Hebrew, the old way which the Jews used to write with.